Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cynthia. If you're new here, kindly consider to subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you very much. So today I'm going to show you on how to make creamy sausages, and with me I have my bell peppers, I have the yellow and the green one, I have my chopped onions, and I have my smoked chopped sausages. So let's get started. Please stay tuned till the end of the video. I'll go in and add my sausages on my hot oil. For this I'll just fry them for like 2 minutes, then get them out of the fire. I'll go ahead and remove them from the fire. Then I will fry my onion in the same oil until it's well cooked. I'll go in and add my tomatoes, then add different types of spices. I'll add a 1/4 cup of water, then dice in my my already cooked sausages. Then I will let it cook as I stir it up together. It's at this point that I will go in and start adding my bell peppers and mix them together and let it cook for a few minutes as well. So at this point my meal is ready. I love it. I love when the bell peppers are crunchy. So I'll just go ahead and plate it up, and I'll serve it with a plate of garlic rice. So here goes my meal, and the combination of colors is just wow. So I'd like you to give it a try and give me feedback in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button to be notified whenever I upload a video. So that's it for today guys. See you in my next video. Bye.